Yeah. Which color do you want? Black, blue, or red?
I prefer black.
Be that 1 year one then.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's with JB. JB. There's too many J's. JB out and I'm at JB Alpha.
Halo, assalamualaikum. Ini video pertama saya menggunakan GoPro di Cairns lagi, di Cairns Cruise Terminal. Sekarang saya mau ke mall, mau cari speaker. Ini dia, Cairns Cruise Terminal. Lagi cerah nih cuacanya. Hari ini hari Senin di Cairns. Udah terakhir kemarin di Papua, sekarang balik lagi ke sini. Sekarang di sini jam 4.36 tanggal 17. Mau ke mall, saya mau cari speaker. Udah lama pengen beli speaker Bluetooth di JB Hi-Fi. Mallnya tutup jam 5:30. Agak cepat di sini tutup, jadi kita harus cepat nih. Jaraknya lumayan sih, 15 menit kalau kita cepat. Hey, what's up, mate? You alright? What did you buy?
Just underwear.
Underwear.
Yeah.
Okay, see you. Hey, Mom.
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Sini kotanya belum terlalu ramai, bukan kota besar. Masih banyak orang abu di sini, aborigin. Simpang 4, kota Cairns. Kita harus nunggu lampu merah, nggak boleh nyebrang sembarangan di sini. Nyebrang aja lah, lamaan. Saya dari dekat di ini, dari dekat ke Grand Central Mall-nya ini. 200 meter lagi tuh kalau kelihatan. Steven,
All good?
yeah, what did you buy?
Snacks.
Just snack.
So all good?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Have a good day, ya. See you. Ini dia Grand Central yang mudah-mudahan JB Hi-Fi-nya sih masih buka. Kalau dia di Google jam 5:30. Sekarang di sini kita masuk, cek terus, takut tutup. Siap. Dingin ya, ada baju-baju. Kamera di situ. Kita naik ke lantai 2 langsung ke JB Hi-Fi-nya. Ada banyak anak-anak dari kapal pada belanja orang dia. Ada 2 pintu. Masuk dulu. JB Hi-Fi. Kita lihat, kita cari Gopro 8, Gopro 9. Ini aksesoris Gopro langsung ya. Itu GoPro berapa ini? $99, 910. GoPro 8 nggak ada lagi kayaknya. $40. GoPro Max battery. Saya speaker dulu. Sekarang udah ada di dalam nih, mencari GoPro. Banyak elektronik sih ya. Ini mesin kopi nih. Harganya 800, 8 jutaan. Ini DeLonghi kecil. Itu bukan untuk jualan, ini untuk keperluan di rumah. Komputer. Ini skuter nih, kalau beli skuter listrik berapa ya? Skuter listrik 1.200. Skuter listrik. Kalau ada uang pengen beli. Excuse me.
Hello.
You know where's the four speaker, JBL or Bose like that?
Oh, the portable speakers?
Yeah, portable speaker.
That way.
Oh, in the front. Thank you. Di depan. Salah tempat. Tempatnya di depan. Ini dia. Sony MacBook bla bla bla. Bose ini kecil 329, 499. Wow, amazing. JBL yang saya pakai nih, J-Lab. Lumayan juga harganya, $70, dapat gratis di kapal. JBL. Ini JBL handset. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Do you have a JBL speaker? Portable speaker. Bluetooth speaker.
Portable?
Yeah. Bluetooth speaker. JBL.
JBL. Gotcha.
JBL.
No, that's right this way.
All right.
There you go. So these are the most popular ones. Are the Charge 5s.
Okay.
Flip 6s are okay. They're good for their size as well.
And
Just your little clip one if you just want the cheap one, or you got cheap.
can I put it?
cheap up there, small.
Cheap and small.
And then the little pink one there if you just want like the clip forward as
This
well.
Flip 6 is the same.
That's your Flip 6?
Flip 6.
Yeah, they're not even working. I can't even get them
This?
to work. I've got no idea what's going on with them. I'm waiting to find out.
Flip 6.
No idea what's going on with them. They've just put these in here. Nothing's working at the moment.
199. Charge 5.
No idea.
It's alright.
I haven't been given any instructions yet on how to use it. It's all new, but none of them seem to work.
It's
Except
okay.
this one. For some reason I got this one worked by itself. But it works, it only works when
It's
you
like-
walk away.
It's okay, it's okay.
And when you want it to work, it's pretty, right? Anyway, they're the most popular $199 ones.
This is the most popular.
Yeah.
And how about this? This is
Yeah, they're
It's
cute.
small, right?
They're
Small.
good. Yeah, smaller, yeah. So not as powerful, but they're still a good one for the price though. Oh,
this.
far out.
You alright?
Thank you. Dogs never like me here. Okay, just going to put this back up here.
This is just different with the color, right?
Yeah, blue and black, yeah.
Blue and black. $199. Do you have any discount or something offer?
Don't think so, not at the moment. Little 2 blacks up there.
Mini.
So I'm just going to fill up while you're having a look.
Which is better, this and this one?
That one.
Yeah.
Better sound, charge 5. The only reason they're the same price is because this one has also got an auxiliary cord, which means like it's got an auxiliary input.
Yes, yes.
Which means, you know, you can...
Okay, can I put memory card or something like that?
No, it's not a memory card. It's like an auxiliary cord, you know, like a round one that you can put in there. So you can like put it to other...
Yeah,
so, so you can attach it to non-Bluetooth devices.
Non-Bluetooth device.
Yeah.
Alright.
So that's that one. That both, you can use them both as power banks though. So once it's full, you can charge your phone on it even. Okay. And this one is one that you can pair up with other JBL ones.
Right.
And this one you can't. So they've both got their own sort of benefits.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Bingung nih mau pilih yang ukuran apa. Ada yang ukuran sedang, yang sedang ini sedang lah, ini sedang, ini yang paling kecil harganya nggak tahu tadi 89, ini 169, 170. Kok ini yang agak gede dikit 200, beda $30, beda jauh juga itunya. 199. Jadi antara dua. Bapak. Ini bagus, ini juga bagus. Ini kecil, simple, bisa dibawa gampang. Ini bagus juga untuk outdoor gitu. Ini kalau outdoor kayaknya kekecilan. Ini Bose lebih mahal. Yang ini kecil aja 179. Yang ini kayak punya kawan satu kamar, hampir 2,5. Nah ini mahal. Ini Sony juga lumayan. Ini yang dulu pernah beli dan hilang, $90. Kurang bagus ya, pecah suaranya gede. Jadi saya mau ngambil yang harganya $200 itu kayaknya. Hey mom, Susie, I get one.
Which one are we going for?
The one you
I forget which one.
It's alright.
The charge 5?
Yes, please. Charge 5. Charge 5.
Yeah. Which color do you want? Black, blue, or red?
I prefer black.
Black? No worries. Get you one out of here.
Can I try that? No? No? Alright.
Unfortunately.
You have any warranty?
JBL come with 1 year, warranty, yeah. And we can offer you an extra 2 years. Do you live in Australia?
No, I'm working on board.
On the boat, yeah. Yes. Unfortunately, the extended warranty is like a J where I work at JB. Is a JB Hi-Fi Australian one. So, yeah. So it'll just be that 1 year one then.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's with JB. There's too many J's. JBL and I'm at JB Hi-Fi. Okay, so is that all you want today?
Yeah, sure.
Just that?
How much is that?
That one is $199.
Alright. Okay.
So so you don't have an Australian mobile number?
No, I don't.
That's right. You'll just get a paper one. Prince, I'll meet you up at the main counter.
Main counter over there?
Yeah, just up there.
Okay.
I'll meet you up there.
Alright, see you. Kapu, what did you buy? Oh, too much. Grocery, yeah. You want to buy iPhone?
No money.
No money.
Look it, jump in line and they'll look after you.
Thank you. Ini payment 199. Udah lah, sekali beli nih. Nah, kita mau bayar dulu nih, mau bayar speaker. Here, yep. It's okay, I record. Itu speaker.
Yeah.
Yep.
You on
No.
holiday right now?
Huh?
You on holiday right now?
No, I'm working on board cruise ship in Australia.
Cool.
Yeah. I've been here for a few times.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
like it here?
Yeah, good, good place.
Do you need a 15-cent bag? You're right to carry it.
I have my bag. I put on my bag.
That's $1.99.
Oh,
Is
okay.
that cash or card?
I pay cash.
No worries.
Here we go.
Thank you.
If I have something wrong with that, I can come back to.
Pardon?
If I have something wrong with
Yeah,
this
if
sticker.
it's faulty, yeah, you can come back. There's
Alright.
not a problem with that one. There's your change.
Thank you.
There's that one.
Thank you
Enjoy.
very
Have a
much.
great day.
You too. It's quite heavy, yeah. Udah dapat speakernya, tapi nggak bisa dites, nanti kita tes kapal. Katanya kalau ada masalah faulty jadi bisa balik lagi. Ma'am, 1 second. The GoPro accessories only this?
Yeah.
You don't have anymore?
Yeah, no.
Oh, no worry.
It's a bit slow coming up from
Yeah, and
Brisbane over there. So
this-
just whatever's under there,
Mhm.
yeah, and there, yeah. What one have you got? The 8? Yeah,
Eight,
it's
yeah.
hard to
I'm
get
looking
stuff
for the
with it.
charge,
Yeah,
but-
got 9 and 10. What's this one?
The battery.
I've covered it all up, so I've got no idea. Oh, that's the Max.
Yeah, the Max.
The GoPro Max.
Alright, no problem.
Let's just see if there's any. These are just returns because people have accidentally bought the wrong thing.
Ah, you can return it.
Not there.
It's okay, no problem. Have a good day, ma'am. See you.
You can try the camera house downstairs, see what if he's got any.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you go
Downstairs.
downstairs, camera house on the right.
On the right side.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No
Have a
worries,
good day.
mate.
Bye bye.
You too. See ya.
Bye. Okay, all good. Kita pulang. Susah. Kita pulang. Sudah dapat